What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make your WordPress website more secure, or how to make your site more hacker unfriendly. Okay, so imagine the following scenario. There is persons with bad intention on the internet and they can use your WordPress uploads directly. They can upload files on your site, and some PHP files can potentially broke your site. Okay, so how to prevent this from happening is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and next to appearance, you're gonna be able to find the option called plugins. Hover a mouse over this menu and hit the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to search plugins field, we're gonna click and type security, just like this. This is a very famous security service, okay? You're gonna click on install now, then you're gonna click into the activate button. This is a free version of the plugin, no need to pay absolutely nothing to have this feature. As soon as you activate the plugin, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you scroll down just a little bit and review the left sidebar of menus once again, next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called security, okay? Hover a mouse over this and click into the submenu settings. Now we're gonna be able to find a couple of very useful security settings, but we're gonna focus into this one right here, hardening, okay? Click on it, then scroll down just a little bit, and I recommend that you disable this option right here, block PHP files uploads directly, okay? So click on apply hardening, just like this, and now the PHP files upload are blocked. You can also block the PHP files on WP content and the WP includes, okay? This is up to you, but are all good recommendation. If you are worried about how it does, hover a mouse over this information icon and you're gonna be able to understand how does it work and how it can benefit your site security, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you tomorrow. All the best!